Let me try one more time to welcome you in a formal way and encourage you. Well, thank you, Bill Dietz. That was very comforting. One man's applause is another person's ovation, no doubt. I'm Bill Purcell. I chair the Roundtable on Obesity Solutions, and I want to welcome all of you here this morning. And at the beginning, I want to simply reflect that I know that the people of Southeast Florida, the Caribbean, and Texas, who've been in harm's way these last several difficult weeks, are in the thoughts of all and the prayers of many, and that they will stay there as they recover, as they restore, as they move forward with their lives, hopefully with our help whenever necessary. The Roundtable on Obesity Solutions was established now more than 3 years ago. But what was then the Institute of Medicine and now referred to as the Health and Medicine Division of the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine. The purpose from the beginning remains the same: to engage leaders from multiple sectors who we believe are needed to solve the nation's obesity crisis. And these leaders would include the people in this room, representatives of healthcare and academia, business, health insurance, education, childcare, government, media, philanthropy, a diversity of nonprofits. It takes all of those and more, and we've understood that from the beginning and remain committed to that bringing together of all sectors through our discussions and our public workshops like this one, our publications, our 4 innovation collaboratives. The Roundtable works hard to be a venue for inspiring and developing these multi-sector collaborations, as well as policy initiatives to prevent and treat obesity and its adverse consequences throughout the entire lifespan, as well as, we hope, eliminating obesity-related health disparities. The Roundtable's work has focused on the current state of obesity solutions and how to drive progress. Our work is highlighting promising multi-sectoral environmental and policy approaches and how to overcome challenges, both in implementation as well as in scalability. We've explored a lot of topics with this goal in mind over these years, and today, in particular, we focus on one that has been on the minds of the Roundtable, I think, from the beginning, and it comes at a particularly important time: the matter of the built environment and how it can support obesity solutions. I am first charged with thanking, in a personal way, but also on behalf of all here, the planning group who worked to bring this workshop together: Marlon Bornay, Jamie Shariki, Jennifer Dill, Janet Fulton, Kim Hodgson, Marjorie Innocent, Kelly May, Mayetta Moon, Russ Pate, our vice chair as well, Giselle Sebag, and Jim Salas. On the staff, I want to thank particularly Heather Cook and Dara Shafska. All of the bio sketches of all of the planning committee members, as well as our speakers, can be found in the materials provided. We are truly thankful for all who are present here, those that will be speaking and those who are here as part of the Roundtable or as friends of the Roundtable, as well as those on the web who are watching from around the world. I want to acknowledge in particular, however, as a matter of personal privilege, the presence of former Governor Paris Glendening, who will be a part of our first panel and be introduced more formally, but as a former 2-term governor and a great leader at the local level, it's especially inspiring to me that you've taken the time to be with us here today. And for the purpose of a more formal introduction, I want to now present someone known well to every member of the Roundtable, and I think increasingly to the world. Jim Salas is a member of our Roundtable. You know now he's a member of the Planning Committee and led the way there. He is actually one of the most cited authors in the social sciences. He has most recently had an appointment as a professional fellow at the Australian Catholic University, so in addition to his work at UCSD, he gets to be on the beach almost anywhere, anytime. I want to be Jim Salas when I grow up. Please welcome Jim Salas.